Hey guys, how's it going? How to set up recurring purchases on Kraken. So first of all, go ahead and open up the Kraken app. Alright, you're gonna see this is the home page. Select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy, and basically tap buy. Right, and as you can see right here, you're gonna see the order type: buy now, recurring, or custom. I'm gonna select the second option, and by frequency, you're gonna see every day. If you want to buy it every day, or buy it every week, or bi-weekly, or monthly. So I'm gonna set it up for monthly, right? And this buy will start now, and you're gonna just go ahead and select the buying option right here. Buy at any price, or if the crypto is below the target price. So I'm gonna select right here the recurring option, and then select the amount of money that you want to buy for the crypto. Click next. Right, of course, after you selected the payment method, app store, or basically a credit card or debit card, click next and then confirm via swiping right. All right, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.